Welcome to Authio ChatLead, Chatbot Lead Capture. In this video, we will show you how to install, configure, and fully set up the Authio ChatLead plugin on your WordPress website. With ChatLead, you can easily capture, verify, and organize your leads in one place. Make sure that the ChatLead plugin is already installed and active on your WordPress website. And if not installed, let's go and install it. Open your WordPress account. Navigate to Plugins at Plugin. In the search bar, type Authio ChatLead. Click Install Now and then activate the plugin. Once the plugin is activated, you will see a new option called Authio ChatLead in the left side menu. Click on it to open the Chatbot Lead Capture settings page. Here, you can customize the appearance of your chatbot. Select your preferred theme color. Then choose the desktop position, such as bottom left or bottom right. After that, set the mobile position according to your preference so the chatbot appears correctly on smaller screens. Next, you need to enter your app ID, client ID, and client secret. To get these details, click the link and create your account on Authio. Enter your email address or mobile number to receive an OTP and complete the registration process. Once logged in, go to the application section from the left side menu. Each application displays its own app ID, client ID, and client secret. Simply copy these values and paste them into the respective fields in your WordPress plugin settings. After entering the details, click on Save Changes. Scroll down to the Test Configuration section. Enter your email address and click on Send Test OTP. If your configuration is correct, you will receive a verification OTP. Now go to the Widget Settings section. Enable the option to display the chatbot widget on all pages. You can also customize the widget title that appears in the chatbot header. Once done, click on Save Changes. Now let's move to the Form Builder section. Here, you will see active fields on the left side. These are the fields currently shown in your chatbot form. You can drag and reorder them anytime. On the right side, you'll find available fields such as name, email, phone, message, number, and address. Simply click to add any field to your form. You can customize each field by editing the label and placeholder text. You can also mark fields as required and set custom bot questions. If no custom bot prompts are configured, the system will automatically apply the default prompts set by ChatLead. You can enable or disable toggle. For the email field, you can enable OTP verification to ensure the lead is verified before submission. After completing all the configuration, scroll down and customize the success message that users will see after submitting the form. Once everything is set up, click on Save Configuration. Now let's check how it looks on the front end. When a visitor clicks on the widget, the chatbot will open and display exactly the same fields and flow that you configured in the form builder. Whatever settings you apply in the backend will appear here in real time. The chatbot will collect the user details, send an OTP for verification if enabled, and once verified, it will display the success message. Finally, to view all the captured leads, go to the Authio ChatLead Leads section. Here, you can see all submitted leads along with details like name, email, phone number, country, message, and date. You can also filter leads by verification status or date range. And that's it. You have successfully installed and configured ChatLead on your WordPress website. Sign up today and get $1 free credit, authenticate 500+ email OTPs instantly.